y'all, it's Grace at Living Well Realty. I am back in the tribute today checking up on this amazing house built by American legend. It is so cute and there's a lot to show y'all, so let's go take a look. Okay, I am so excited because there has been a lot of progress since I was last out here. So the first thing is the trim. So I did misspeak on my last video. I said that they were doing a light trim. That was wrong. I forgot that they decided last minute to go with the dark one to match the onyx roof, which I think looks so beautiful. I love the contrast between that and the stone. So I think that was definitely a good choice. My clients have amazing style, so it's been really fun to watch the selections that they've made. And it did just rain, so my boots are muddy. But let's go take a look. So you'll see we have your door, which is so pretty. So the frosted glass, I love that. All right. Man, so, okay, a lot to talk about. So they have painted since I was here last, which is why I came back to film, but they were in the middle of painting, so I wasn't able to come in here. But this room is so pretty, so much natural light. Oh, and it smells so good, like fresh paint. You have a view of the lake. So my clients are using this as an office, which I don't blame them at all. I would love for this to be my office. And then we have a full bathroom right here. So we have the toilet, the vanity is ready to go. We have a light fixture up here. So that's looking great. And then we'll come check out this room over here. So a guest bedroom right here. I wish y'all could smell it. Oh, it smells so fresh. Closet is ready to go, looks great. All right, and so they did lay the tile. So I will give you a peek at this. So they picked a standard tile. My clients are gonna go over it and redo the floors on their own. They didn't like any of the design selections that they saw, and so they thought, you know, if we're paying for the upgrade of LVP, then we want one that we really like, which I think is a great choice because that's always an option. I know some people don't want to deal with projects as soon as you move into your new house, but if that's what works for y'all and if you have the flexibility to do that, I think it's a great choice. So they'll come back in here and touch up any paint. They have an outlet up here. So they're gonna use this as a media room, so this fixture will be changed. And we do have French doors. If you look at that, so pretty. All right, let's swing across the hallway. So over here, we have our powder bathroom. So still waiting on the pedestal sink for there. There is a light fixture. And then this room also gets great light. I'll show you the closet. So beautiful. This house that we just heard should be ready to close probably August. So just a couple more months, which is really exciting. So I won't show you much of the garage right now. That's where they're just throwing all the trash, so they'll clear that out. But this will be the laundry room. So they have a cabinet here extending to the ceiling and then a hanging bar. And then back here, so this was a mud bench and then they asked to change it, and American Legend was really flexible in doing that to work for their needs. And so now they can keep their shoes in here, coats. Just one of the amazing things you can customize when you build a house. So, okay, y'all. This is always my favorite part because there's so much to see. In the kitchen, it's beautiful. So, first the living room. These high ceilings will never get old. We have a ceiling fan, the can lighting. Then let's take a look. Look how clean this kitchen looks. Oh, it's so chic. So since I was here last, we now have countertops. They've painted, we have the faucet, the backsplash, which this subway tile is really pretty. I'll show you a close-up of that. I just think that pairing with this really pretty countertop, oh, I love, love, love. And then they also changed the vent hood for just a really simple style. So down here, this drawer is right behind me, so they'll get that installed, but that's where the pans will go. And then of course you'll have ovens and microwave. The dishwasher is coming. Oh, y'all, it's so beautiful. I'm really excited for you. I cannot wait until you get to move in so soon. You have this beautiful big walk-in pantry. Keep all the goods in there. It's just a great space. I think this floor plan has a really nice flow. You can walk in, easy for entertaining, kind of overflow into this eating area. So right here, you'll have the table, the light fixture is in. You have a lot of windows. Then over here, they're gonna use this as kind of a dry bar area. And I believe we're gonna get these floating shelves stained, so that'll look a little different next time. And then if you ever see where the walls are kind of dirty, they'll come back and clean that up. And especially when you do pure white, it shows a little bit as the construction crews are coming in and out. It is really muddy out there. So here is where I was wrong last time. So this is a darker trim, which they said they may end up painting themselves, but we'll see. So this is actually really cozy. So they have, this side is bricked in because it's on the corner, but it provides a lot of shade and it feels really good. I think it's about 90 degrees in the sun right now. We'll have a great backyard space. And then their neighbor's house, we did ask about this. So that black brick is gonna be painted. So luckily that won't be right next door. They'll paint that, which I think it'll be really pretty. I think they're doing a light color. All right, let's head back here. So we will have a closet right here, some extra storage, and then the master bedroom. So we have a ceiling fan, outlets throughout, of course. Lots of windows. So really nice natural light back here. These French doors lead into the master bathroom, which, so they went back here, they did the start countertop, which looks really pretty with the white cabinets. And then again, we have a little drawer missing, but he'll be fixed. Here's the water closet. And then they usually do the tub towards the end just to make sure it doesn't get ruined, because tubs are, you know, they can be kind of fragile as you're bringing them in and out. So you'll have a fence back here, big window. So hopefully next time I'm here, they'll have the tub, but we'll see. And here is the makeup counter. And so they are gonna install another light fixture up above the makeup counter. I think this hardware is super pretty. Just has that really modern look, so clean. And the shower is all tiled. Looks great. And then last but not least, we have your giant walk-in closet. So a whole lot of space back here. You have a couple different shoe shelves. And just different lengths and heights of shelves, hanging area. So this one can be used for some longer coats or dresses. The seasonal rack up at the top, which is so nice. I know I've talked about that one before. But y'all, this house is looking real beautiful. I am so excited. I know things move fast. I've been so bummed the last 2 times I came, once they were doing the tile and then once they were painting. so I wasn't able to get in here. Didn't want to get in their way, but man, it looks beautiful, y'all. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I am so excited about all of the updates in this video. It is so fun to see my clients. Y'all have great taste. I love y'all. If you are wanting to buy or build, I would love to help you. So click that link below, reach out to me. Until then, y'all stay blessed.